Miami Lakers.
Welcome back to another episode of the J&K Show.
So, Kay, got any events this weekend?
Do we? At Picnic Park West, we've got Yoga in the Park, the Farmers Market, and the Community Bike Ride, brought to you by
The Neighborhood Improvement Committee. And be sure to show your holiday spirit and decorate those bikes.
Which reminds me, the deadline to submit for the Holiday Lights Contest, brought to you by
The Youth Activities Task Force
is Monday, December 17th. So take a picture of your home and submit online.
It's so easy.
Hey Jay, what's going on in the parks?
Not much. We're just closing up our athletics for the year this weekend and getting ready for our annual field maintenance at the parks. But don't let a cold front freeze you up. And forget to check back in after the new year to register for baseball, softball, flag football, or soccer.
Awesome. Oh snap! I almost forgot to mention, the town has 3 winter camp options. YMCA, Bricks for Kids, and Code Explorers. So click the link below for more info.
Also, take note, next Friday, December 21st is the last day to submit any unwrapped toys for Toys for Tots at Town Hall.
Questions or comments? Be sure to drop them in the comment section below.
Until next time, this is J&K.
Signing off.